I've always loved the sound of a de-restricted air intake. So when it came time to de-snorkel my XR, which means removing this plastic piece under the seat, I started considering various options for side panel cutouts instead, and photoshopped a few variations. I used a whiteboard marker to outline my favorite cutout, and a Dremel to forever alter my precious side panel. 30 minutes later, I had a reasonably clean cutout. Not good enough for the showroom, but great for a weekend wheelie warrior. Imperfections were covered using black rubber edge trim. Originally, the plan was to include a mesh screen, either against the opening or set back a bit, but ultimately ended up liking the open look, especially with the red uni filter. Let's hear a before and after sound comparison. The mod details are shown in the bottom left corner. The difference is subtle in the video, but noticeable when riding the bike. The intake sits behind the left leg and provides a deep tone that feeds directly into the left ear. Let's check out a sound comparison from the rider's position. Being able to visually assess how dirty the filter is without removing the side panel is nice, and determining whether it is oiled properly only takes a few seconds. The sound is not only enjoyable at full throttle, but also while matching revs on downshifts. And during easy, low-speed acceleration. The sound from the side panel air intake is so enjoyable that I no longer yearn for an aftermarket exhaust. I've been running this setup for 200 miles and have thoroughly enjoyed the combination of Dave's mod, uni air filter, and the side panel air intake. This mod does have its problems. For one, it requires more frequent cleaning and oiling of the air filter. When not in use, I do keep the intake hole covered. And cutting a hole in the side panel prevents me from riding in the rain, but that isn't a problem where I live. Let me know in the comments what you think. I genuinely want to hear your opinions and thoughts on this mod. I really appreciate you watching these videos, and if you own an XR650L, I recommend subscribing because there will be more helpful maintenance videos coming soon. Ride safe out there, and I'll see you in the next video.